Hello guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you something very interesting. I have been working in a track and diving into the new Ableton 12 devices, and I found this little thing, the rower. It's like a saturator device and it's pretty awesome. So let me show you what we can do with that. So I'm gonna insert here any input, any sound. Let's say, I don't know, maybe the new device, the meld, and let's play here some notes. Okay, simple sine wave. Okay, so let's start from simple sine wave. So you have here a stage 1 saturator, so basically it's a soft saturation, and you have other types: digital, bit crush, diode, tube, half, full, poly, and fractal, which is pretty awesome. Have this bias which moves to the side, and what I found is this feedback mode. It's very interesting because it allows you to have some feedback on the sound. Look at that. Whoa. Crazy, right? You have this mode which stops basically inverts the phase to not have a feedback forever, but I like this one. The frequency. Let me put here a little bit down. Okay. What is nice about this is also this filter. You have notch filter, LP, BP, a lot, and you have this peak, which is interesting to have like this way. Okay, I'm sorry. So if you put the resonance up, can find very interesting tones. Let's put a little bit of attack. Okay, you see these growling sounds, feedback. So if you put here like another filter, it's a shame we don't have another filter here to shape the sound. So you can put here a filter, or even even EQ. Can put here just to get rid of these sounds, and another one here. We can automate this frequency maybe. Noisy stuff that it's getting very interesting. If we put a reverb on it, long one, let's shape this to, I don't know, like that, and move the frequency. Very sorry for that, very sorry. Let's put the limiter here so you don't die. 6. we can automate this frequency width by using the modulation. Let's go to the matrix and put LFO1. Yeah. Let's put very slow time. Let's morph a little bit. Look at this. Seems like a whale. And if we use this one to control, I don't know, let's shape this a little bit also. Let's put long and shape this this frequency. Wow. Let's put the note here. Duplicate. Okay. Dive into the different possibilities here. I found like this very interesting. Look at that. Whoa, this is insane. Loving this really. And just with that, just a sine wave. Like, let's change this a little bit and see. Whoa. Even if it's not atmosphere, you can use for, I don't know, effects. Like, I don't know, let's put the delay and see how it sounds. Whoa. It's like happy accident. Amazing. And you can like play around with this time also. Like, I don't know, let's put here a little bit, also this a little bit. Maybe this as well. Whoa. this will be the base of my next atmospheres for the next year. So I hope you enjoy. Use it in your productions. Thank you very much for paying attention to this one, and have a nice day. Cheers. Subscribe, by the way.